Alright guys. Guess what we are going?
It's Chuck E. Cheese.
No. We are going to Allianz Arena in Munich. I'm so excited.
What? Allianz Arena? No. I'm not going to Allianz Arena. I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese. I have some play for games.
Classic Caillou. You cannot going to Chuck E. Cheese and that's final. We are going to Allianz Arena. I've misbehaved grounded. Understand?
Yes, Dad.
Good. So let's go to the airport.
Welcome to airport. How may I take your flight?
Can we have 3 tickets to Munich?
Okay. Here we go.
Thank you.
This is Capitan Waters and welcome to Go Airlines. Today is going to Go City to Munich. The plane is ready to take off in 1 second. We hope you enjoyed the flight.
Alright guys. This is Allianz Arena. The stadium from the home football club in Bayern Munich. The stadium was opened in 2005.
The stadium looks like crystal trash.
Classic Caillou. What did you call the stadium? Crystal trash. That's it. You get the 1 strike. 2 more will be grounded. Alright guys. So let's go to the museum.
So Dad. What is that?
Oh. This is a UEFA Europa League trophy. Bayern Munich became the first time ever Europa League in 1995. This is a Bundesliga trophy. Bayern Munich are champions are 1932, 1969, 1972, 1973, 1974, 1980, 1981, 1985, 1986, 1987, 1989, 1990, 1994, 1997, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2003, 2005, 2006, 2008, 2010, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and AMP. 2023. Bayern Munich they're total champions of 33 titles. Alright guys. This is a UEFA Champions League and AMP. UEFA Super Cup trophies. Bayern Munich are champions of the Champions League. There are 1974, 1975, 1976, 2001, 2013, and AMP. 2020 Bayern Munich are 6 titles. Also UEFA Super Cup champions in Bayern Munich are 2013 and AMP. 2020. Bayern are 2nd titles.
UEFA Champions League. Or like, UEFA's Champions League. Ha 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 ha.
Hey! Classic Caillou. How dare you call UEFA's Champions League? That's it. We'll get 2nd strike. 1 more will be grounded. Alright guys. Let's go to the stadium. Alright guys. This is a stadium. It's so cool.
Wow. The stadium it's so loved. The host of the Champions League final in 2012. I am going to explosion of Allianz Arena in stadium. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. I am going to explode.
Oops.
G-R-O-O-O-O-O-O. Classic Caillou. How cannot believe explosion in Allianz Arena. That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6 years. Let's go home right now and go to your room now. I'm taking to the airport.